What's up, guys? It's your boy O, back with another video. Laced and Fitted is the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today we got an unboxing video of some new kicks. Just came in the mail. Something exclusive. I say exclusive because I got exclusive access on it. I'm gonna give y'all one hint of what they are. See that jersey on the wall? And open them. We're gonna do a first look together. Bam, Mamba time. Put that knife down. Kobe, size 10.5, my size. Retail was 180. Let's crack this box open. Let's see what we got. Sneakers app, hit me with exclusive access. This is probably my second time getting exclusive access on something ever. First time was the Pigeon Panda Dunks a few years ago. All right, so as y'all can see, all black box. Ooh. There they go. These are actually a PE, PJ Tucker. Very colorful shoe. And you got purple on it. You got purple. You got this neon, lights might be too bright, neon shoelaces. Man, you got some like Carolina blue. You got gray. You got red. You got black. These are definitely sick. Two different insoles on the inside. What they got? Ah, see what they got.
The insoles. Got the shoe paper out.
So you got a 2 and a 4, 24. What else I got on the inside? I can't really see. But yeah, these are the Kobe, PJ Tucker. You got different kind of designs, patterns going on. Let me focus out a little bit. That's the toe box. I want y'all to see this pattern on the white. It's like designs all over the shoes. You got the polka dots on the check. Signature on the back. Man, these are crazy. But yeah, I'm about to throw them on, show y'all what they look like on feet. Stay tuned. So dope how you can see all like different colors. I don't know if it's just reflecting off the background lights, but definitely changing colors. Got KB 24. But that's it, y'all, for this quick first look video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I just want y'all to see how good them reflect off the light. Very dope shoe. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. Jersey up there. Got the slam mags.